Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your Honor Magic V6. So what are we going to do first is we're going to remove our screen protector and a case because it can cause a lot of interference. Now, hear me out before you do anything. You do not remove your screen protector on your cover screen or your inside screen because it's very important that you just don't take it off because you can void your warranty that way. So if you have a case, make sure that it's not covering the bezel, which is a dark part between the screen and the side of the phone. If it does cover the bezel, what you guys can do is simply remove the case. It's much easier if you open it and then just remove it from here. As you guys can see, now we got the phone without a case, and of course I'm gonna put it back because I know that this is the original case, but if you got a third-party one, then that might be the reason. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna clean our screen with a microfiber cloth so you can clean your either cover screen, main screen, depending on where your issue is. I'm gonna clean the cover screen here, and as you guys can see, it's just like that. So you're just giving it a few swipes and it should be clean. After that, what are we going to do is we're going to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now switch to power button and volume down button, and don't mind the screenshot, just don't click anything else on the screen because we want to wait for our screen to go dark. As you guys can see, now it's dark. We're going to let go and our phone is now forced restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the forced restart is done. After the forced restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into settings, and in these settings we're going to swipe down to system and updates. We want to go to software update, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version of the software so that there are no glitches. Now, if you're on the latest version just like me, you will see check for updates. If you're not, you will see download and install at the bottom. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.